Okie doke, folks. Here we are. PatternDashCollection.com again. Pattern Focus is our place to go. We're going to go to this one, which is called Aurabedd by Karen Frank. Excuse me. I did watch this video by Mimi on how to do it, and I did make a choice that I'm gonna do something slightly different. I'm gonna add one extra line, I think, to my sample thing. Okay, so step out. First step, we're gonna make this curvy S-shaped line as long as we want. Oops, you're too close. You can't see that. Ha 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 ha. Okay. Curvy line like that. From that curvy line, we're going to make 3 lumps. And according to this step out, this first lump is kind of shallow, and then a little one, and then a bigger one. Shallow, little one, bigger one. Kind of shallow. This one's almost straight. And then little one, bigger one. Mimi's video, she actually does more of a lump, more of a cloud-like lump rather than this short, straight, small, big. She doesn't do that. And that looked fine. So it's up to you. And then when you're finished with this shape, then you just aura it a couple of times and you're done. So this is what we're aiming for right here. But I really want to emphasize this line. So I think before I do these shapes, I am going to aura that line. So I'm going to make 2 of those. That's just what I feel like doing. Okay, and I've decided I'm going to use my bookmark, my coffee dyed bookmark size. Long skinny piece. Somebody suggested that on my coffee dyed bookmark that I use a white pen. So I'm going to try that and see. So I'm going to use for this video my Uniball Signal pen and see what happens. Okay. I've already got it started, but I'm going to do it again over here off camera because these Jelly Roll pens, you really need to get them going before. And don't push too hard. I've learned that if I push too hard, nothing really comes out well. So I'm going to do just a... like that. And I want a second line like that. So then on this side, I want kind of a small, straight, a small, and a bigger. Kind of a straightish, a small, and a bigger. Straightish, small, bigger. Straightish, small, and bigger. Like that. And then I'm going to do that the same on the other side. Straightish, small, and bigger. Straightish, small, and bigger. Straightish, small, and bigger. And on this one, come around and do like that, just to give it something to have an end on it. And then just do an aura. Like so. This is not my favorite pen to draw with. Just FYI. Works great for highlights. And it looks okay. It looks better on the camera than it does on here. It's like it's sucking into the paper. It's like I don't have enough ink. I am tempted to go back over this with my decories or try again with the decories. I don't know. Jelly rolls just aren't my thing. Some people love them, and if that is you and you love your jelly rolls, you know, go for it. And it could be that I just have paper that isn't jelly roll compatible, and that maybe it needs to have marker paper instead. I'm just going to fill this in. I'm not going to color it completely in. I'm just going to do some ziggy zags. I want this more emphasized. I may actually come back through with the pencil. I probably should do this with the pencil. Like that. Yeah, I think I'm going to do it with the pencil. And I'm going to go one more time around with the aura and maybe then something else for embellishment. I feel like it needs to be embellished. Maybe I'm not going to do another aura. Maybe I'm going to bring just some elements up and around. Just a little something to give it something more. That's cute. Maybe another one of these. And another one down here. Okay, I'm happy with this. What's happening now. Each section is going to be a little different. You know what? I think I'm going to just aura again this side. So on one side it got some organic embellishment. On the other side it's getting a little bit more of an aura like that. That balances the width, but then I don't have that organic element on both sides. I like that. Okay. Now I want my white pencil. Give it a bit of a sharpen. And I want to emphasize this. So it's going to get colored in white. Like that. See, I didn't color it all the way super dark. I left it light. Not sure I like where I put that. Do I want it more in the middle? Yeah, I think I do. I think I want those highlights more in the middle. And I'm going to come back in with a brown pencil and do the shading. That one? No, I want it darker. I'm going to use my deep dark brown. That's better. Kind of goes with the coffee stain, but more controlled as to where that darkness is. You guys are curious about the coffee stain papers? I've just cut up cardstock, stuck it in a tray, poured some coffee on it, and let it dry. And whatever pattern happened is what happened. No, not the pencil. Not the pencil. I think I want regular graphite here. Let's erase that. Doesn't erase very well, but that's okay. I think I want regular graphite around this shape. You know, you don't have to stick with one medium. You can mix and match your mediums. You can put pencil with colored pencil, with coffee. You can use paint. You could use crayon. You can use whatever suits your fancy, to be honest. You want to do mixed media and then add some patterns on top of it. That's spectacular. Don't be limited to what people say that you must do in a particular art form. It's only limited by your imagination and your skill set. And the only way to get your skill set better is to practice. People say, how do you draw so well? Well, I spend hours and hours drawing. That's how I draw so well. And I don't even think I draw that well. But other people think I draw spectacular. So, you know, everybody's going to be critical of their own work. You just are. But you need to embrace it anyways and just say, you know what? I do this pretty darn good. And the more you start telling yourself that, the more you believe it, and the happier you are with your final product, to be honest. See, I just wanted a little bit of shadow, but I didn't want to get rid of all that brown. The brown is awesome. That's good. I like it like that. Okay, I think we're done. I'm going to actually sign it in. And this was called something. This was called Aurabedd. Ugh, I don't like this pen. But it is what it is. There we go. Did I do it sideways like that so you can see the whole thing? Alright, I think I'm done for the day. I will see you tomorrow. You guys have a great day, and go out and do something nice for someone today, and I will see you later. Bye-bye.